Hello, everyone, and today we're going to talk about the words that portend that something bad, unusual, or unexpected is about to happen. These words are adjectives and they are eerie, sinister, and ominous. Eerie. Eerie means something mysterious. For example, um, there is the series called The Stranger Things, and almost uh, in every episode, you can hear this some kind of intense music that makes you feel like what is going on. I'm nervous. I'm gonna find out what it is, etc. So this is the eerie music. It means mysterious music, and it makes you guess and to feel that something is undiscovered or something is hidden from you, from your side, or whatever. The next word is sinister. Sinister means evil or very, very bad. For example, I met some people during my lifetime and they have this sinister look in their eyes, like they wish you some kind of harm, or they they just thinking about something very, very bad, and you can see this in their eyes, in their sinister look. And the last word is ominous. Ominous means dangerous. For instance, there is some states in the U.S., Texas and Oklahoma, for example, uh, when during the springtime and early summer, there is a lot of tornadoes. And when you see that, when try to imagine that some there is some that on some very, very quiet day, you're riding your bike and you see that in the sky clouds starting to gather, and you can hear this whistling sound of the wind. So this is the precursor of tornado, and it means that you better find some shelter. So, and this is an ominous sign for you that you better find some shelter to hide from the upcoming disaster. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you next time.